Numerology becomes a very common term in our modern life. Though the practice of numerology is nothing new in our society, it has an ancient history in human civilization. However, nowadays the craze for learning numerology seems higher than before. Actually, it is the present social-economic structure of our society that sometimes makes people so disturbed and patience-less that they like to control their future and want to secure their success. They find it good to learn numerology or tarot card reading in order to secure their everyday ventures and achieve success in life. Many people choose to learn the Chaldean numerology, and some prefer to learn the Pythagorean numerology according to their own choice and requirement. However, if you really want to study this ancient practice seriously, you need to choose the right source of learning. You have to know where you will get the perfect help for your queries while learning numerology. What is the study of numerology? Numerology is a science, and it is based on some logical mathematical calculation. According to the ancient belief, every English alphabet has a numerical equivalent. Hence, the name of every person can be changed into a numerical form. The luck of a person can be judged by the numbers that are associated with him, e.g. his name, date of birth, etc. Even his lucky number can be decided through the practice of numerology. The study of these numbers, calculating them and pretending the future according the condition of those numbers, is known as numerology. Be it Chaldean numerology or Pythagorean numerology, the main motto is to be aware about your future. Why should I learn numerology? If you are thinking that why should you need to learn numerology, here is the answer. Chaldean numerology can show you the correct path of your life regarding your future endeavors. Numerology can help you to divulge your merits and hidden talents. It can make you aware about the positive and negative influences of other people on your personal and professional life as well. You can understand your strength and weakness through the proper study of numerology in your life. It makes you aware about the upcoming difficulties and hazards of your life so that you can be prepared for them and can give them a fight back. We all know the fact that we cannot change our future, or modification cannot be done with our lot, but we can at least try our best to know what is there in our future and try to keep ourselves prepared for the worst. In this process, the knowledge of Chaldean numerology can help you a lot. You should learn numerology in order to know your future and to make yourself prepare for all kind of negative and positive events of your life. Where to study this? There are books and charts that can help you to learn numerology. You can find stores that sell mystic items. Or else you can search on internet for this. There are lots of websites that offer free learning of numerology through internet. You can learn numerology online as well according to your convenience. There was actually a time in my life when I felt lost, but this free numerology reading helped me find my life's purpose. For those that are lost, you can check out the free video reading in the description. I hope it helps someone. Also, feel free to leave your comment below about your opinion about numerology. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you get the notification anytime there is a new video from me. You can also follow me on any of my social media account in the description. Thanks.